Welcome to today's update on the latest in Linux innovation. Canonical has officially released the Ubuntu 25.04 beta, codenamed Plucky Puffin. This update release marks another exciting milestone, offering a sneak peek into the upcoming final version, scheduled for April 17, 2025. Let's first talk about the overview of the release. Ubuntu 25.04 beta isn't just limited to the flagship Ubuntu desktop. It's available for an impressive lineup of official flavors. Whether you are a fan of the lightweight XFCE in Xubuntu, the sleek Plasma environment in Kubuntu and Lubuntu, or prefer the unique approach found in Ubuntu Budgie, Ubuntu Mat, Ubuntu Studio, Ubuntu Unity, Ubuntu Cinnamon, Ubuntu Kylin, or even Edubuntu for educational environments, there is a tailored version for you. Now let's talk about what's new in Plucky Puffin. This release packs a host of updates and improvements. Kernel and core system. Ubuntu 25.04 beta comes with the Linux kernel 6.14, ensuring improved hardware support, enhanced performance, and the latest security updates. Desktop experience. GNOME 48 makes its debut on the Ubuntu desktop flavor, introducing features such as improved notification grouping, digital well-being controls for managing screen time, and even HDR support for compatible displays. Now let's talk about the installer enhancements. The new installer now offers clearer messaging for dual boot setups, especially for systems running BitLocker protected Windows, and makes upgrading from the previous release a smoother process. Now, updated toolchain and subsystems. Enjoy the benefits of updated development tools, including GCC 14.2, Python 3.13.2, and enhanced components like systemd version 257.4, Network Manager 1.52, and Pipewire 1.2.7. These updates contribute to a more robust, secure, and responsive system. Now, application changes. In a shift towards modernizing the user experience, the default document viewer has been changed from Events to a new app called Papers, built with GTK4 and partly rewritten in Rust. Plus, improved support for multimedia, Office applications, and container tools like Docker keeps Ubuntu 25.04 beta on the cutting edge. A closer look at the flavors. Each Ubuntu flavors delivers a distinct experience. Ubuntu Desktop and Server. The core release delivers a polished, feature-rich environment, ideal for everyday computing, servers, and cloud applications. Kubuntu and Xubuntu. Kubuntu now boosts Plasma 6.3 and a refined Wayland session, while Xubuntu continues to offer a stable and lightweight desktop with updated components. Lubuntu. Designed for minimal resource use, Lubuntu's updated LXQT environment remains perfect for older or resource-constrained hardware. Ubuntu Budgie, Ubuntu Mat, Ubuntu Unity, Ubuntu Cinnamon, and Kylin. These flavors provide alternative desktop experience, each with unique visual themes and workflows tailored to different user preference. Ubuntu Studio and Edubuntu. Ubuntu Studio caters to creative professionals with a suite of multimedia tools, and Edubuntu continues to support educational environments with specialized applications. Now let's talk about the testing and community involvement. Keep in mind that this beta release is intended for testing, while it showcases the direction Ubuntu is heading. It might not be stable enough for production use. Canonical and the Ubuntu community are actively encouraging users to download, test, and report any issues so that improvements can be made ahead of the final release. Now finally, the conclusion. Ubuntu 25.04 beta or Plucky Puffin continues Ubuntu's proud tradition of combining cutting-edge open source technologies with an intuitive user experience. Whether you are a developer, a tester, or simply a Linux enthusiast eager to explore the latest features, this release offers something for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Ubuntu 25.04 beta, leave a comment below. Peace out.